Night falls over Dubai. Camera slowly glides toward the stunning event venue shining under skyscrapers. Soft instrumental buildup begins. Heartbeat-style drums. A deep emotional voiceover starts. Tonight, something extraordinary happened in Dubai. A night where cultures didn't just meet, they became one. Camera pans inside the hall, showing Pakistani and Korean guests entering with grace. Smiles, formal suits, traditional dresses shining under the lights. Slow motion handshake shots. Laughter. Background music transitions to cinematic rise. From Lahore to Seoul, from Karachi to Bus, from the heart of Pakistan to the spirit of Korea, everyone came together with one purpose: to celebrate unity. MC announces names. Camera moves smoothly across audience as names echo with visual overlays. Ali, Minji, Saad, Jiho, Zara, Suyan. People standing, nodding respectfully. Subtle applause, sound effects, lights dim, spotlight on stage. Pakistani qawwali performers begin, close-up of fingers on harmonium, passion in eyes. Voiceover continues softly. When the first note was sung, the whole fell silent. A prayer rose in the air, a melody of love. Music builds. Korean dance troupe enters. Beat drops, high-energy montage. Dancers, powerful moves, synchronized performance. Dramatic camera cuts between audiences reacting with surprise, excitement. And just when the rhythm reached the peak, cultures blended, not through speeches, but through harmony. Cut to toast moment. Elegant guest raising glasses. Dubai skyline visible in background through glass windows. Fireworks blast in the sky. Voiceover with powerful tone. One city, two nations. Countless dreams. Tonight, Dubai carried them all in its sky. Music drops low. Flash mob scene begins. Pakistani doll starts. Dancers appear from crowd. Koreans join, mixing traditional and modern dance. Wide-angle dance floor aerial shot with increasing tempo. And then, something magical happened. Nobody watched. Everybody joined. Award section, soft spotlight, cinematic depth of field, on faces as they walk up below Hyjin Faradeho. Hugs exchanged, emotional instrumental. These weren't just awards. These were stories of dedication. Bridges built across continents. Finale, performance. Stage, filled with Pakistani and Korean singers. Urdu plus Korean lyrics. Close-up of mic, teary eyes, hand-holding. Crowd silent. When voices united, hearts followed. Words didn't need translation. Final chorus. Together we stand. Together we dream. Fireworks fill the frame. Drone shot rising above the venue. Crowd cheering below. Voiceover delivers the final explosive line with passion and echo. Tonight wasn't just a function, it was history. Pakistan, Korea, Dubai, united by hope and prepared for the future. Fade out slowly. Instrumental softening. Closing title appears, center screen, in cinematic font. One night, one future. Dubai, 2025. End.